Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to enable a business account in your TikTok. It can be done in a couple seconds. What does it take to do that? You go to your profile and click on the three bars. Now select Settings and Privacy. And at the top, you select Account, and then you select Switch to Business Account. And this is where you go through the process of switching to this type of account. You skip all the items, then you choose any category from the list, then you continue and enter your email, then you have to write a description for the account, or you skip this item. Then you can create a video greeting or skip this item and create an account, save. And now the account has already switched to the type, business. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.